So what is commutativity? Well, of our four operations, an operation is commutative if you can switch the numbers in that calculation around and still get the same answer. If we look at 3 add 2, I can have 3 pens and get 2 more pens to have 5 pens altogether. Or I can get 2 pens and have 3 more pens, still having 5 pens. Addition is commutative because regardless of which way we put the numbers in the calculation, the answer is the same. Likewise for multiplication. I can have 2 lots of 3 pens, or I can have 3 lots of 2 pens. Either way, I've got 6 pens. So multiplication is also commutative. We can swap the digits around in that calculation and still get the same answer. When we get to subtraction, we've got to remember that subtraction is not commutative. If I have 3 pens, I can take 2 pens away and have 1 left. If I try to swap the numbers around in that calculation though, I'm starting with 2 pens and trying to take away 3, which I clearly can't do without either borrowing a pen from someone else or owing you a pen. It's important to remember that we can't just say we can't do it. It can be done, but it's going to either have a negative answer, or if it's in a written calculation, we're going to need to borrow. If we look at division, I could have 4 pens and divide them or share them between 2 people. Each person would have 2 pens. But just like subtraction, division is not commutative. The order of the numbers in the calculation matters. If I switch them around, I've got a very different calculation. I've got 2 pens, which I need to share out between 4 people, which is not going to work. Each person's going to have half a broken pen, not much good. So we need to remember addition and multiplication are commutative. We can switch the numbers around. Subtraction and division are not commutative.